Hey guys, we're going to look at the letter E and we're going to circle the pictures that start with the eh sound, okay? So this is a picture of an egg. Remember, our letter E was for a baby elephant, and his mommy called him and said, "Come here, baby elephant," and he said, "Eh?" All right, so let's see if we hear the eh sound at the beginning of egg. Egg, eh. Do you hear eh at the beginning of egg? Yes, I do too, so I'm going to circle that one. What about cat? Cat. Do you hear the eh sound at the beginning of cat? No, I don't either. Good job. All right, so let's look at this guy. Look, he's sitting on the edge of a cliff. That would be really scary. All right, do you hear the eh sound at the beginning of edge? Eh, edge? Yes, I do too. So I'm going to circle that. All right, here. Oh, this one. I don't think you're going to get this one wrong. I think you're going to get this one right because this is our character for the letter E. This is an elephant. Do you hear at the beginning of elephant? Of course, because that's our sweet friend that helps us tell our story. What about goat? Look at the silly goat's face. He's so cute. Goat. Goat. You hear No. All right, so let's not circle that one. Next, we have an elbow. Elbow. Do you hear Me too. So I'm going to circle it. Great job, guys. Remember, E says